Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today I'm here with some Rite Aid awesomeness and like an epic Staples haul that I still can't believe worked out like it did. So I will talk about that. No Walmart or Kroger in here like usual, which is very weird for me, but it was nice to have some different places to go for a change. And did a little bit of investing this week at Rite Aid. I put a little bit of money out because one, it was great deals. It really was. A lot of it involved getting back rebates in the rebate app, so that helped. And then I got back a ton of bonus cash. All this worked out to be free. I just had to do a little bit of out of pocket to get all the bonus cash back. Now, if you're starting at the drugstores, you have to put some money out in order to get the rewards back. And as week goes on, you just roll the rewards and you don't pay anything. But you got to make that initial investment. I only had $8 at Rite Aid, but I went ahead, did a lot of deals and flipped that and turned it into $18 at Rite Aid, which is good. That's manageable for me. And I should be able to do a lot more deals that way. Because when you only have $8, A, you're going to have to go to the store like every single day to roll the rewards. Or B, you know, you're going to have to keep doing some out-of-pockets every week. And I don't really want to do that either. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to put some out-of-pocket this week, get a lot of rewards back. And the other thing is, I am not a Rite Aid 100% focused YouTuber. You know me, I focus a lot on Kroger, so that's how I get the best deals there. Whenever I'm looking for Rite Aid deals, I follow two people specifically. Number one is here on YouTube, Michelle's Frugal Living. She's always posting. She's done Rite Aid videos ever since I've got on YouTube. So be sure to watch her if you're looking for Rite Aid stuff. And also, Patel7 Ravi on Instagram. He does so many Rite Aid Instagram stuff. That's where I found a lot of these deals is from him. So if you have Instagram, get on there and follow him, because I got a lot of these deals from him. So let's just dive right in. But yeah, these deals, I give credit to them because that's how I found them. Now, the Crest mouthwash and the Oral-B toothbrush, these are a part of the same deal. Buy one at $4, get back $3 in bonus cash. I had a $1 off coupon from the P&G for this, and $1 off for this. Now, when I went earlier, this is actually the span of 2 trips, but I just threw it all into one because it really doesn't matter to you. You can do it all in one trip. There was a $1 Ibotta, so it made it a moneymaker. But there isn't an Ibotta anymore, so it's just a freebie, but still awesome deal. And then this is a separate one, the Crest toothpaste. Buy one, get back $4 with a limit of 2. We have $1 coupons in the P&G. So you pay $3, you can get back $3 in bonus cash. Now, I saw one of those people posted about this double dip going on the Crest products. There's a monthly deal, spend 20, get back 5. So this counted, these counted, and this counted. So this is $16 worth towards the monthly deal. I didn't finish it off today, but I'm going to next time I go. It's a month-long deal, so you can do it anytime through September. So, yeah, I'm going to finish it off, get something for free, and I'll get the extra $5 back. But this puts you $16 towards that. So that's a really nice deal there on those products. So keep in mind, these are the toothpaste is its own, and then these two are together. Okay, and then the swab. This is a monthly deal as well. This is crazy. The body wash is $2.49. Oh, and the monthly deal has a limit of 4, so I was able to really stock up. The body wash is $2.49. Buy one, get one free. There's a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, and I'll get back for both of these, so 50 cents back. So that's $1.99. And there's I bought a bonus for 25 cents, so it makes it $1.74 for the two of them, and then you get back $2 in bonus cash for buying 2. So ends up making these a 24-cent moneymaker. And I want to emphasize, I do not believe the BOGO sale is valid all month long, just the bonus cash deal. So keep that in mind. Suave deodorant, $2.19. Buy one, get one free, and you get $2 in bonus cash when you buy 2. Plus there's 50-cent Ibotta, so big moneymaker on the Suave. That's crazy. Suave Kids. This is a great one as well. 2 for $6. There's a $2 off of any 2 in-ad coupon you can use. It's a Rite Aid coupon. You just cut it out of the ad and give it to the cashier. That drops it down to 2 for $4. There are $1 off 1 manufacturer coupons from a previous insert. I can't remember the date. But you use those. You'll pay $2, and you'll get the $2 in bonus cash. To come and do a voiceover here because I said there was a $1 Ibotta. It's just a 50-cent Ibotta, but you'll get back $1 for 2 of them. So after you do all that, it'll make it a $1 moneymaker for the 2. Anyways, the Cremo body wash. This is awesome. Now, I saw this one It's crazy. $7.99 for this. Buy one, get one 50% off. So it's $7.99, $3.99. No coupons that I'm aware of. I looked on Hopster. I couldn't find it. I remember someone saying there's one on Hopster. Couldn't find it. But I didn't use any coupons. But I got back $5 for buying two. And then Saving Star. You have to make sure you get the Blue Cedar and Cypress, or I think that's how you say it, and then the Bourbon and Oak. Make sure to get one of each. Don't get two of the same, because it's better to do one of each. You're going to get back $3 from Saving Star for this one, as well as there's $1.50 for this one. You'll get both back. And same for this. There's $3 for the Bourbon and Oak and $1.50 for the Bourbon and Oak. So you get back $9 as well as $5 bonus cash. So it made it like a $2 moneymaker. Then finally, the Colgate Optic White is $3.99. You have a $2 in-ad coupon, as well as there is a $2 manufacturer's coupon you can stack. So totally free toothpaste there. Rite Aid was great. Lots of money makers. Lots of great Ibotta bonus stuff going on. And all these deals are still pretty much available right now. They're good till tomorrow. So get out there and get them at Rite Aid. And also want to mention, Ravi posted about the Always Discreet. The pads are $6.49. And buy two, get back $7 in bonus cash. And we have $3 coupons on the P&G. So moneymaker. My store only had one. And you need to buy two. So I didn't do that deal. But I got all the other stuff. So I'm thrilled with it. That was a really good deal. But then Staples. This was amazing at Staples. I couldn't believe how well this worked out. So they sent us in the mail a $10 reward or something. They did it. We usually get one about every time this time of year. Every year. So I'll take it. It was just for $10 off of anything. So the Clorox wipes. It was actually in a bundle pack when we took it out. They're $9.99 for these 3 wipes. And then this composition book's 50 cents. So I paid 53 cents for this. But after I checked out, it printed me out another coupon for $10 off the school supplies purchase. So I went back to Staples today. And this was just awesome. So let me explain to you why I did. I could have really went crazy and got a bunch of index cards and the really cheap erasers and pens and all that stuff. But I wanted to get stuff useful that doesn't go on sale that much. And I have all the free pens, but to tell you the truth, when I go to school, I don't use the really cheapo pens. I use the friction ones because especially when you're in accounting, you have to do a lot of erasing with your math and stuff. So I love pens. I don't like pencils that well, so I had to get these erasable pens. And I tell you, they're horrible priced, but I really, really love them. Now, a huge note. These are literally 50% cheaper at Walmart, but I was getting the school supply coupon, and it worked out great at Staples. So these are $7.99. Had a $1.25 coupon. So $6.74 for these, but it worked in the big scheme of things with my 10 off 10 coupon. These Bic, don't fall. These Bic color, the 4-color pens, I love these as well. They are $3 for this 2-pack. I had a $1 off manufacturer coupon, so it made $2. Then the scissors were 99 cents each, so I threw that in. Anyways, after the 10 off 10 and my manufacturer coupons, they all worked, no issues. My cashier was great, just did it all. Ended up making it 96 cents for all this stuff with tax. 97 cents or 96 cents for all that stuff. And then 53 cents for this. You can't beat it. So Staples was amazing. Be on their rewards member thing. All you got to do is sign up and just put your phone number in whenever you shop there. It is great. I love Staples rewards. So yeah, this is it this week. There was some really good deals at Rite Aid. Get down there if you haven't. I'm sure you've all heard about the deals, but I still want to just bring them to you anyways. If you still have Rite Aid, I know they've closed a lot of places because of the whole Walgreens merger, but to any of my Ohio people, we didn't lose Rite Aid, so we can still do deals there. And I will try to keep going there more, especially that I have more bonus cash. So yeah, really great deals. Check out those other people I mentioned for more Rite Aid stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.